Alright, this video is on the Model S 2013. The battery died on this again. So I did take the parallel battery off and it stopped charging again within 8 months of getting a new battery installed. So I can call them again and get it replaced, but I'm just gonna do this for now. I think there's something wrong with the battery. It should last more than a year, but yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you the parts here. Basically have this connected to the front. You open this up, you'll see terminals here, positive and negative. Just kind of funnel them through here and you should be able to pull them through. You need 4-gauge wires. I will link everything that you need in the description below. And then I make these longer so that if I don't need these anymore, I can then connect them further. Okay, so these are the original wires I had. They were kind of short. I did have my battery right here originally, but it was just moving around and eventually broke. The terminals broke, and so I just kind of kept them there just for emergency purposes, and then mounted them together on this terminal. But now that I got this new thing, I have an 880 amp breaker to this new battery, and we have 6 I think these are 6mm bolts. I'll put that in the description below. There's 3 bolts in here. You want to take them off and then drill a hole into the carpet and then put them in there. It's got a washer and everything. And then I have 2 ratchet straps kind of around the side so that you can have the hooks right there sitting on the side and sitting on the side, so it kind of acts like handles. And then you have one more ratchet strap going over here over the top and across through the handles of the battery. And then I have it kind of weird here. I kind of funnel it through his eye, strapped through one of the handles over there on the side, and then hooked it. Okay. Now, if I would do this differently, I would probably do the strap over first and then wrap it so that it keeps it all in. I couldn't really strap it in. I didn't want to redo it, so I was like, forget whatever. This will work for now. So, as far as lateral wise, it's pretty good. Back and forth, just a little bit of wiggle, and then top down, it's pretty good. Now, the more you ratchet it, it kind of pushes pressure on this tray underneath it and could crack the plastic. So I didn't want to go any further. As long as it stays still, I say it's good enough. So that's my solution for now on Tesla battery. Now, if this battery voltage goes down, then my other problem would probably be the converter that's located behind here. The DC-DC converter is probably failing and not charging the battery for longer trips. It should kick in at 12.5 volts and 12.8 volts. It should kick in and charge it up to 13.5 to 14 volts. But it doesn't come on all the time. As soon as you start the car, it only kicks in when it drops below 12.8 or 12.5. So when you're in that range, you don't see it popping up, then maybe your converter is not charging, and that's why your battery's dying on longer trips. Okay, so this will just at least extend the range up to 12 volt for now for longer trips. Hopefully that helps. Talk to you.